Effects of Mentha spicata L extracts on morphological deformations of Culex molestus, Diptera, Culicidae. Mosquitoes are not just annoying pests, they can spread dangerous diseases. To tackle this problem, researchers are looking for natural, eco-friendly ways to control mosquito populations without using harmful chemicals. One promising solution is Mentha spicata, spearmint, a plant known for its medicinal properties and insect-repelling effects. This study tested whether extracts from spearmint leaves, stems, and roots could kill mosquito larvae and prevent them from growing into adults. Researchers in Iraq collected fourth-stage mosquito larvae, Culex molestus, and exposed them to different concentrations of spearmint extracts, both water-based and chloroform-based. They observed how many larvae died, whether they developed deformities, and if they could still become adult mosquitoes. The results showed that spearmint extracts were effective in killing mosquito larvae and disrupting their growth. Cold and boiled water extracts from stems and leaves worked better than root extracts. Chloroform extracts from leaves were especially powerful, causing high mortality rates and visible deformities in larvae, pupae, and adult mosquitoes. These findings suggest that spearmint could be a safe, natural, and cost-effective way to control mosquitoes, reducing the need for chemical insecticides. By using plant-based solutions, we can protect public health while also being kinder to the environment. Further research could help develop spearmint-based products for mosquito control programs. Introduction. Mosquitoes spread dangerous diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and West Nile virus, making their control a global health priority. While chemical insecticides are commonly used, they can harm the environment and human health. A natural alternative is Mentha spicata, spearmint, a plant known for its medicinal properties and insect-repelling effects. This study tested whether water and chloroform extracts from spearmint leaves, stems, and roots could kill Culex molestus mosquitoes at different life stages, larvae, pupae, and adults. Researchers exposed mosquito larvae to different extract concentrations and observed their survival, growth, and physical deformities. Results showed that spearmint extracts effectively killed mosquito larvae and disrupted their development. Water extracts from stems and leaves worked best, while chloroform extracts from leaves caused the highest mortality and deformities in pupae and adult mosquitoes. These findings suggest that spearmint could be a safe, eco-friendly alternative to chemical pesticides. By using plant-based solutions, we can reduce mosquito populations and disease transmission without harming the environment. This research highlights the potential of spearmint extracts in mosquito control programs, offering a sustainable way to protect public health. Future studies could help develop natural mosquito repellents from spearmint for wider use. Conclusions. Mosquitoes are dangerous pests that spread diseases and multiply quickly. This study tested whether natural extracts from spearmint, Mentha spicata, could control mosquitoes effectively. Researchers treated mosquito larvae with water and chloroform extracts from mint leaves, stems, and roots, then observed their survival and development. The results showed that mint extracts successfully killed mosquito larvae and caused deformities in pupae and adult mosquitoes. Chloroform extracts, especially from leaves, were most effective. The study also identified active compounds in mint that likely contribute to these effects. These findings suggest that spearmint could be a safe, eco-friendly alternative to chemical insecticides for mosquito control. Using plant-based solutions may help reduce disease transmission while protecting the environment. This research supports further development of natural mint-based products for pest management. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.